In this video, I'll be showing you how to make your text transparent in Adobe Premiere Pro, and the timer starts right now. Firstly, create some text. Make sure that the text layer is above the layer of the footage. Next, go to the Effects panel and type "matte" in the search bar. You'll see an effect called Track Matte Key under the Keying option. Click it, then drag and drop it onto your footage. As you can see, doing this will highlight your footage. After that, go to the Effect Controls panel and search for the Track Matte Key effect you just used. Afterwards, go to the Matte section and choose your text layer number. In this case, the text is in the V2 layer. Therefore, I'll be choosing Video 2 in the Matte section. And that's how you create transparent text in Adobe Premiere Pro. What type of transparent text are you going to create? Let me know in the comments below. If you found value in this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notifications so that you won't miss any videos like this. I'll see you in the next video.